Hey guys, welcome back. This is a review video. However, before I get into the review, I wanted to share this with you because I thought it was too good not to share. So, as you can see, my thumbnail has been injured, but we're gonna fix it. Yes, I snipped it, I clipped it, don't come for me. But I'm gonna fix it with polygel. So, as you probably saw in my last polygel video, I'm not really the biggest fan of polygel. I don't like the texture, I don't like applying it, but I have a newfound respect for polygel because I found that it works really, really well for nail repairs. And the best part is, so if you guys have ever broken a nail and used like the tea bag trick to do a repair, you probably know that the tea bag repair will, dissolve when you soak your nails off with acetone. And polygel does not. Polygel will eventually soak off in acetone with enough time, patience, and filing. However, if you're just soaking your nails off and it takes you, 5, 6, 7 minutes to soak off your nails, the polygel stays intact. And I can tell you this because I'm doing this voiceover after having soaked my nails either 1 or 2 times after doing this polygel trick, and it's still on, still perfect, still going strong. So I'm just putting on a little bit of polygel. I am in no way, shape, or form qualified to tell you how to do this. I've never used paper forms before, ever, but it was really so super easy. I have the, the slip solution stuff. I got this stuff from Makartt. Using their polygel and their slip solution, I'm just using that and their brush to get the stuff on, cure it for 60 seconds. I'm going to pop off my nail form, and bing, bing, boom, I've got a corner of my nail that wasn't there before. You're supposed to cleanse this with the slip solution or with alcohol. I literally just stick my finger in the stuff and rub it on, and it's all good, not tacky, ready for filing. And I'm gonna just file it up super quick. I'm using this file I got in the Tomicca dip system kit. I use the rough side first, which is not super rough. It's like a 180 grit. And then I went over with my normal 100 grit, and I can't believe it worked out that well, that quick, outstanding. Okay, so now that's done. My nails are naked. I'm going to go ahead and get into this review. I'm not doing both hands today. I'm only going to do the one, but I'm so excited for this video. You guys probably heard me talk about this in my live that I did because I had this set on during my live. But this is the OPI dip powder, and this is the color Bubblebath. Now, if you haven't heard me say it before, I'll say it again. Bubblebath is my all-time favorite nail polish color ever. When before I was getting my nails done, like getting acrylics and stuff, or even when I was doing my own nails, if my nails were on a break, between salons, if you will, OPI Bubblebath is the only color I ever wore. I loved it to pieces. And then I found OPI's Bubblebath in dip powder form. And y'all, I can't even recall the last time I was that excited. I flipped. I had to buy it. I'm going to leave you all the details and where to get it down in the description box. I believe I got this one at Walmart, but I'll leave everything in there for you guys. And all I can say is my first impression of this powder. Now, granted, I'm using my Virgo and Gem dip base. I'm going to use, I think, my Tomicca Activator because I know how these liquids perform. I didn't want to use any OPI liquids yet because I want to do 2 different comparisons. Once on the powders, once on the liquids. I will have that coming. But the powder is fabulous. I have 0 complaints. It was nice and soft. It laid down real nice and smooth, and I'm sure the base helps out with that. But I have no complaints. I like the OPI powders, and they weren't terribly expensive when I bought them, at least. I don't know if things changed, towards the end of quarantine and stuff, but I'll keep you guys updated. So I'm going to let you guys watch just for a little bit while I get this on. I'm just doing a basic color mani. I may throw on a couple of little decals later, but that'll be super quick and painless. So I'm going to let you guys watch, and I will be right back. wanted to just hop in real quick and make sure you guys know make sure you guys know that I did not put, footage in twice. I am doing a third dip, and that's for two reasons. One, the OPI Bubblebath is just by nature a little bit more sheer, and I was looking for just a tad bit more opacity. Plus, the Virgo and Gem dip base is so super thin that you can get away with 3 dips, and it's not super chunky or bulky. And you'll see that, coming up towards the end of the video when I show you the profile and everything of my nails. It's not thick or bulky or anything like that. It was so perfect. I was so happy with this mani. I wish I could have kept it on longer. Next time I have a break from filming, guess what I'm wearing? Because I love it so much. Wondering if you guys are familiar with this polish color. I can only assume that someone out there loves this stuff as much as I do, if not more, because I don't know. I was just obsessed for the longest time with this polish. And honestly, if I wasn't doing dip nails right now, I would probably have this on my nails. Just to set the record straight, I'm a huge OPI Bubblebath fan. Matter of fact, OPI was probably one of my favorite polish lines ever. I think I was pretty moderately obsessed with OPI and Essie. I had oodles of their polishes. I have not used them in so long, and I have since gotten rid of most of them just because they dry out and go bad because I haven't used them in literally years. But I should have kept the OPI Bubblebath just for memory's sake. Anyway, I will digress and get back to the video. So I will actually cap with my Mia Secret clear acrylic just because that's what I always do. I have so much Mia Secret. I think I might start using my iGel Beauty clear some point in the very near future just because it's so good. But I do have oodles of the Mia Secret, so I'm going to flip back and forth between the two. Do you guys have like a favorite clear? Let me know what your favorite clear dip powder is, or acrylic, whatever you guys are using. I've heard a lot of people mention Zooty, and I've heard Zooty is really great. You'll have to let me know. Let me know down below. Speaking of iGel Beauty's clear, I do have a video coming up. It may be the next upload. If it's not the next upload, it'll be coming up very soon. I did a clear mani. Well, I actually have a couple of clear manis coming up. One of them I'm using iGel Beauty Clear, and I'm doing encapsulated foils, like little bitty foil flecks, because you guys have been dying to see that. So I have that coming up. You may have peeped it in my live. Also, I have another iGel Beauty Clear video where I do just my nails with the clear dip powder, and then I use iGel Beauty gel polish on top of it. I will be doing, I think, you'll have to let me know if you guys want to see this. I'm sure I've asked you before, but I'll ask you again. I'm going to hound you and bother you until I figure out what I'm doing. A live swatch party, like 2.0 with the iGel Beauty gel polishes. So if you want to have another swatch and wine night with me, let me know, because I'm super excited. You guys were very into that video, and I'm so happy. I had such a blast doing it. I really did. That was a good time. I apologize for the length of that video, or the live. It was like almost 2.5 hours long, but I had the best time with you guys. And I have a lot of questions that I didn't even get to. I had 21 questions, and in 2.5 hours, I couldn't get through them. So I can't walk and chew gum at the same time, much less, talk and swatch. I don't know what's wrong with me. Definitely wasn't the wine. Couldn't have been that. So yeah, let me know, because I would love to party with you guys again. I had so much fun. I want to try and do it monthly if that's something you guys would be into. So I'm going to go ahead and get my file on. I am using my iGel Beauty file. It's probably the only file I'm going to be using for a while, although I was sent another e-file just to try out and demo. It's the same one that I had in the giveaway for my 10K, so you will see that coming up. It's actually not a bad little file. It's a great beginner file, so you will see that coming up in the next couple of weeks. But for right now, I'm using my iGel Beauty e-file. I'm using all my own bits. If you check my Amazon favorites list, all the bits that I use are in my Amazon favorites list. The iGel Beauty file is available on igelbeauty.com. Everything will be in the description box for you guys. I'm going to hush. I know you guys like to zone out and watch me e-file, so I'm going to give you a little zen moment, let you watch me e-file, and I'll be back. And we're going to put on some stickers and top coat and do some fun stuff. Stick around. I'll be right back. I am back. The nails are filed and brushed and dusted and clean. So I decided I wanted to do some cute little stickery things. They're not, I know some people call them stickers, some people call them decals. They're adhesive stickers slash decals. They're not like water decals. And I'm going to use this adorable little tweezer pouch that I picked up. The stickers and the tweezers are all from Amazon. I'll have them in the box. But yeah, I wanted something. I don't know. I was feeling like they were too basic and I needed something. So I'm just going to go ahead and plop some of these little fruity sticker things on some accent nails and make them cute. And if you guys are curious or missed the video of how I did the mani on my left hand, I will go ahead and leave that up in the cards or down in the box or at the end of the video for you guys to check that out. If you missed the live that I did, it was a 10K giveaway in the beginning, which is closed now. But if you missed the live, you want to check it out. I don't know if you want to check out the whole thing, but if you want to check it out and see what the lives are like, I will leave that in the cards for you guys as well, so you can, I don't know, see all the fun that you missed out on, I suppose. If you're new to my channel, oh my god, I suck at this game. If you're new to my channel, hi, hello. I am Marlakris, and this is what I do. I do mostly dip nail type shenanigans, as you probably saw in a previous video. Maybe it was this video. Oh my god, I'm losing my mind. I do venture into the world of gel, polygel, whatever sometimes, but I do prefer dip powder nails. If you like doing your own nails, or if you like watching people do nails, definitely consider subscribing. And if you don't subscribe, you probably have commitment issues and should seek help. If you like the video, definitely give me a thumbs up so I know you liked it. It does help me out, believe it or not. I know people say that all the time and you're not sure to believe it or not, but trust me when I tell you, the like and the comments do help us out. So feel free to do that. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and get myself situated. I'm going to get myself top coated. I'll be back with you guys in just a sec with some final thoughts, so don't go anywhere. All right, Mani fam, here is the finished mani. I'm going to go ahead and put on my cuticle oil. As always, I'm using Candy Skincare Cuticle Oil. I'm sure you guys are sick of hearing me say that literally at the end of every video, but that's not going to change, so sorry. Yeah, so what do you guys think of the mani? I think it's absolutely adorable. I was so pleasantly surprised at how great the OPI dip powder was. I love this color. I can't get enough of it. I hope you guys found it somewhat helpful and maybe even a tad bit inspiring. That's always my goal with these videos. So definitely drop me a comment. Let me know how you felt about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next vid. Love you, bye.